Hello student. So today a new practical. See the heading, test for carbohydrate and protein. You have given some carbohydrate solution and protein solution. What will be the test for carbohydrate and protein? Okay. Now first test for carbohydrate. You make 3 column: experiment, observation, inference. Experiment 1 cc aqueous solution of sample plus 1 cc Molish reagent. Molish reagent. What is Molish reagent? Within bracket 1% alcoholic alpha naphthol solution. Alpha naphthol solution. Then add concentrated H2SO4. This is the first test. 1 cc aqueous solution, add Molish reagent, 1% alcoholic solution of alpha naphthol, and then 1 ml concentrated sulfuric acid along the side of the test tube, like a ring test. A violet ring is produced. Observation: a violet ring is produced. Violet ring is produced. So glucose, carbohydrate is present. Carbohydrate or glucose is present. This is the one test. I see the test. Say this is, we take small amount of sample solution. Small amount of sample in a test tube. Okay. Now add Molish reagent. I have prepared Molish reagent with alpha naphthol and ethanol. We add Molish reagent. Now to this solution add concentrated sulfuric acid slowly from the walls of the test tube. Add concentrated sulfuric acid slowly from the walls of the test tube. See, in this way, very slowly from the walls of the test tube. See, a violet ring is formed. A violet ring, violet holo na to. Konta niram bolun to eta na eta. Huh? You know. দেখতে এসেছে লিঙ্কটা উপরটা ভায়োলেট এসেছে সি দিস এ রিং ইজ ফর্ম আর একটু স্যার মলিশের কনসেন্ট্রেশন বাড়াতে হবে এ ভায়োলেট রিং ইজ ফর্ম স্যার স্যার এটা অল্প হাফ চামচ একটু দিয়ে করে এ রিং ইজ ফর্ম সো দিস ইজ দ্য টেস্ট ফর কার্বোহাইড্রেট গ্লুকোজ অর দিস সি ইউ সি দ্য রিং at the bottom of that violet ring is formed নিচেটা হচ্ছে একটু গ্রিন কালার উপরটা ভায়োলেট কালার so okay. This is the first test for carbohydrate. Now what will be the second test? You again take the sample solution. So write the second test. This is the first test. Write second test number 2. 1 cc sample solution. Sample solution plus 1 cc failing solution. Failing solution heat on water bath. Heat on water bath. Observation: a brick red precipitate is formed. Brick red PPT is formed. So carbohydrate is confirmed. Sample solution plus failing solution. You observe a brick red precipitate. Yes, you have already. Yes, sir. 1 cc you first prepare the sample solution. This is the sample solution. This is failing solution. Failing solution is prepared by mixing failing solution A and failing solution B in equal proportion. That is, we take 5 cc failing solution A and 5 cc failing solution B. That is failing solution. We add failing solution and heat on water bath. We heat on water bath. After few minutes, you will observe a brick red precipitate is formed. This brick red precipitate confirm the presence of aldehyde group. You know, carbohydrates are either polyhydroxyaldehyde or polyhydroxyketone. So this is the one another confirmatory test for carbohydrate. See the color of brick red. See this. Silo blue here. Initially it was blue color, but now it is brick red color. You have observed this color. So we take 1 cc aqueous solution of sample, that is a carbohydrate. We add failing solution, heat on water bath. You observe a brick red color. See this. This is a brick red color. This confirms the presence of aldehyde group. Okay. Now another test. Another test. Write the third test. What is the third test? 1 cc sample solution. 1 cc sample solution plus 1 cc Tollens reagent. Tollens reagent, then add, then heat on water bath. Heat on water bath. Say we take a small amount of sample solution. Small amount of sample solution. This is the Tollens reagent. What is Tollens reagent? Ammonical silver nitrate solution. You know, Tollens reagent is a mild oxidizing agent. It oxidizes aldehyde to acid and convert itself into metal silver. So a silver mirror precipitate is formed. On heating at the walls of the test tube, a silver mirror precipitate is formed. This okay. See this silver mirror precipitate. A shiny silver mirror precipitate is formed. See this. A shiny silver mirror precipitate is formed. This is due to formation of metallic silver. Metallic silver. So this is another test for carbohydrate with Tollens reagent. Okay. Now the third test. তাহলে এখানে আমরা কি অবজারভেশন লিখব? অবজারভেশন হচ্ছে এ silver mirror PPT is formed. Carbohydrate is confirmed. Okay. Now the fourth test, that is the last test for carbohydrate. There is a 1 cc tart solution. This test does not respond by glucose or fructose. It responds only by starch solution. 1 cc tart solution, then add few drops iodine solution. Iodine solution. What do you observe? A blue precipitate, a blue color of starch iodide. A blue color is observed. Intense blue color. A intense blue color. Blue color. Here you conclusion, carbohydrate, starch is present. Starch is present. This test is given only by starch, not by glucose or fructose. Okay. A deep blue color is obtained, presence of starch. So we take small amount of starch solution. Say this is, we have ppr starch solution. 2 ppr starch solution. You first make a paste. লাইটটা অফ করে দিন তো, ভালো রেডটা জানে না ডিপ হয়ে যাচ্ছে। ওটা নামিয়ে রেখে দিন ওখানে। সি এটা হচ্ছে ফেলিং সলিউশনে ব্রিক রেড কালার। সি দিস আফটার হিটিং ব্রিক রেড কালার। ওকে, ওকে। We first take small amount of starch. How will we prepare tart solution? You take the powder starch, dissolve in cold distilled water, then you heat until a clear solution is obtained. To the tart solution, we prepare iodine solution, I2, iodine solution. Very few, 1 or 2 drops iodine solution. See, a immense blue color is obtained. See this, a immense blue color, black আছে পুরো এত ব্লু হয়ে গেছে। Immense blue হয়ে গেছে, deep blue. And a deep blue violet color is obtained. This is the TARS test, TARS iodide test. Deep blue color is obtained. This is the test for stars. So these are the 4 tests for carbohydrate. One test with Mollis reagent. With Mollis reagent, a brown ring is formed. With Mollis reagent, a brown ring is formed. So that is sample solution plus Mollis reagent plus concentrated sulfuric acid, a violet ring is formed. That is the test for carbohydrate. Another with failing solution, I have told you, a brick red precipitate with form when failing solution is added and heat on water bath. Another, the tolerance reagent. The tolerance reagent, a silver mirror precipitate is obtained. And last one, test for TARS with iodine solution. A immense blue or violet color is obtained. So this is the test for carbohydrate. Okay. Hello student, any question from this side? This is the test for carbohydrate. You must write this test for carbohydrate in the practical copy because that is in your syllabus now. Now another হচ্ছে next হচ্ছে test for protein. Test for protein. For protein test, we take egg albumin. This is the white part of the egg. We take the egg albumin for protein test. Test for protein. First you make 3 columns. In the first column, 1 cc egg albumin solution. Egg albumin solution plus 1 cc 1% copper sulfate solution, 1% CuSO4 solution plus few drops NaOH solution. This test is known as Biuret test. This test is known as Biuret test. ठीक है? अच्छा, warm the mixture. Warm the mixture. What do you observe? A bluish violet coloration. Bluish violet coloration. ठीक है? Protein is confirmed. Protein is confirmed. This is the first test. We take 1 cc egg albumin in a test tube. We add 1 cc copper sulfate solution and then few drops of NaOH solution and warm for the mixture. A bluish violet coloration is obtained. It confirms the presence of protein molecule. Okay. Say, sorry. We take small amount of egg albumin. Now we take copper sulfate solution. This is copper sulfate solution. Now we add sodium hydroxide. Now we add sodium hydroxide solution. And heat for some times. কি কালারটা আসা কথা জানো? ব্লুইশ ভায়োলেট, ব্লুইশটা আছে, ভায়োলেটটা আছে না? এই আসছে আসছে আসছে। Heat for some time, 3 or 4 minutes, you heat it. See, a bluish violet color is appeared. See the color? A bluish color, bluish violet type color is অনেকটা উজালা রঙের মতো কালার, bluish violet color appear. This is known as Biuret test for protein. You have already learned it in biology. Biuret test for protein. Okay. This is the first test. Blue violet coloration with alkaline copper sulfate solution. Now in the next test, number 2, 1 cc egg albumin, egg albumin solution plus 1 cc concentrated HNO3. Heat on water bath. Water bath. You take 1 cc egg albumin, add 1 cc concentrated nitric acid and heat on water bath. Yellow PPT. Yellow PPT due to formation of xanthoprotic acid. You know when nitric acid falls in our skin, it become yellow due to formation of xanthoprotic acid. That is nitric acid reacts with protein to form xanthoprotic acid, that was a yellow color. তাহলে protein is confirm. Sir, concentrated nitric acid. Protein is confirm. Okay. So we take egg albumin. We take egg albumin and then add concentrated nitric acid. Concentrated nitric acid. And heat on water bath. Heat on water bath. You will observe a yellow PPT is formed. Nitric acid. Yellow coloration হয়ে যাবে. Okay. Wait for few minutes. Heat on water bath. So this is another test. Egg albumin plus concentrated nitric acid. The yellow coloration due to formation of xanthoprotic acid, and the test is known as xanthoprotic test. This test is known as xanthoprotic test. আর একটু নাইট্রিক অ্যাসিড দিতে হবে নাকি? আসছে ইয়ালো আসছে. ওয়েট ফর ফিউ মিনিট. ঠিক আছে, হিট অন ওয়াটার বাথ. So in your syllabus, the test for protein, carbohydrate and fat that is present in your syllabus, you must write the test for protein and carbohydrate. This actually fatter no conformity test so on. So you must write the test for protein and carbohydrate in your practical copy. So another thing that cannot be shown in online video class, that is preparation of some organic or inorganic compound that is present in your syllabus. You must write at least preparation of one inorganic compound like morsol and one organic compound that is present in your syllabus, because this preparation cannot be shown in video because it take at least 5 to 7 years, 5 to 6 hours. So it cannot be shown on video. We can only tell the procedure, but you can also get the procedure in your book. Okay. Say at the bottom of the solution, at the bottom of the test tube, a yellow color appeared. This yellow color due to formation of xanthoprotic acid. Yellow color due to formation of xanthoprotic acid. সবটাই ইয়েলো হয়ে যায়, থাক তখন পরে আবার আসছে। দেখ হ্যাঁ, এটা তুলে দিন, দেখো আমি হিট করে ডাইরেক্ট হিট করে দিই। দেখুন অনেক সময় লাগছে। See, a yellow color, actually in video the color cannot be seen clearly, it is actually the yellow color precipitate. Okay, video color dekha jay na thik moto. Yellow color precipitate is formed. This is due to formation of xanthoprotic acid. So this is due to formation of xanthoprotic acid. Okay. Now another test for protein, either Nein-Hydin test. Another test for protein, either Nein-Hydin test. Sample solution plus add Nein-Hydin. A immense blue color is obtained. So এটা ফেলে দিন তো, এই দুটো ফেলে দিন, ওটা দিয়ে দিন। We first prepare Nein-Hydin. Nein-Hydin is prepared by dissolving in water. Nein-Hydin can be prepared by dissolving in water. So we take Nein-Hydin, it is soluble in water. Now we add small amount of protein to the Nein-Hydin and heat on water bath. Heat on water bath. Heat on water bath. After some time you will observe a immense blue coloration. This is known as Nein-Hydin test. So last test protein সেটা কি বললাম, Nein-Hydin test. Number 3, 1 cc egg albumin, 1 cc egg albumin plus 1 cc Nein-Hydin solution and heat on water bath. Heat on water bath. This observation, intense blue coloration. Blue coloration. So protein is confirmed. This is known as Nein-Hydin test. Direct করুন। Nein-Hydin টা কম দিলাম, আসছে এটা আসছে। See this, a blue coloration is obtained. This is due to the Nein-Hydin. So protein plus Nein-Hydin solution, a blue coloration confirm the presence of protein. So this is the 3 tests for protein. So I have shown you 4 tests for carbohydrate. First test, carbohydrate solution or sample solution plus Mollis reagent. What is Mollis reagent? 1% alpha naphthol solution. Alpha naphthol dissolved in ethanol solution, alcoholic alpha naphthol solution. Then add concentrated sulfuric acid from the walls of the test tube. A violet ring is formed. Presence of carbohydrate, either glucose or fructose or starch. Number 2, failing solution test. 1 cc sample solution plus 1 cc failing solution. A brick red color is obtained. Brick red color is obtained. This failing solution test is due to presence of aldehyde group. The failing solution test is due to presence of aldehyde group. You must remember the failing solution test is given by glucose and lactose, but sucrose, which have no free aldehyde group, or starch, they do not respond failing solution test because they have no free aldehyde group. But glucose, fructose, lactose, that is monosaccharide, they can show the failing solution test. Number 3, tolerance reagent test. 1 cc sample solution plus 1 cc tolerance reagent, heat on water bath. You will observe a silver mirror precipitate, silver mirror precipitate. See this, a brilliant silver mirror precipitate. This is due to also presence of aldehyde group. Tolerance reagent test also given by glucose and lactose, not by starch or sucrose. Last হচ্ছে iodine test, সেটা হচ্ছে given by only starch. A deep blue coloration, deep violet blue coloration is obtained, that is due to starch. So these are the tests for carbohydrate. Now for the test for protein, we take egg albumin. Egg albumin is a protein, the white part of the egg. Now we add distilled water to egg albumin, take small amount of say 1 cc protein, that is egg albumin solution, and then add 1% copper sulfate solution, and then sodium hydroxide solution. A blue coloration due to presence of protein, this is known as Biuret test. Blue violet coloration, this is known as Biuret test. Another test, xanthoprotic test. 1 cc egg albumin solution, then you add 1 cc concentrated nitric acid and heat on water bath. A yellow PPT, yellow precipitated by yellow coloration, this is due to formation of xanthoprotic acid. This is known as xanthoprotic test. And third test, 1 cc egg albumin and 1 cc ninhydrin. A blue coloration, a intense blue coloration determine the presence of protein molecule. So these are the tests for protein and carbohydrate. You must write on the practical copy. Okay. Hello student, understood? Hello, understood this? Any problem? Any problem or any question? ফ্যাট অ্যাকচুয়ালি ফ্যাটে যেটা একটা হচ্ছে তোর ওই পেপার দিলে তোর ট্রান্সপারেন্ট হয়ে যায়, ট্রান্সলুসেন্ট পেপার হয়ে যাবে, এটা একটা ফ্যাটের টেস্ট আছে। আর একটা ফ্যাটের টেস্ট আছে তোর অ্যাক্টোলিন টেস্ট। অ্যাক্টোলিন টেস্টটা খুব প্রয়োজন আছে, লিখে নিতে পারিস খাতাতে, 2 বা 3টে টেস্ট খাতা লিখে নিবি, কিন্তু আমরা অ্যাক্টোলিন টেস্ট ল্যাবে দেখাতে পারবো না, কারণ খুব প্রয়োজন আছে, অ্যাক্টোলিন গ্যাস তৈরি হয়, এটা খুবই শরীরের পক্ষে। আমরা স্টুডেন্ট থাকলেও আমরা ল্যাবে এটা উই ক্যান নট শো দিস ইন প্রেজেন্স অফ স্টুডেন্ট, ওকে, বাট ইউ ক্যান রাইট দিস, you can write the 3 tests of fat that is given in your book. Okay, in the up to PBRC year, the organic there is 2 tests, either detection of functional group or detection of protein or carbohydrate. This normally in the last few years we have given only the detection of functional group, and detection of protein or carbohydrate is not given to the final exam. So this year also you have given only the functional group detection, but this, since it is present in your syllabus, so you must write the test for protein and carbohydrate, and you may also write the test for fat, at least 3 tests, okay. And you also write the preparation of 1 inorganic salt, mainly more salt, and 1 or potassium, preparation of more salt or potassium, or 1 organic salt. Actually the salt preparation of salt cannot be shown in the lab because it takes at least 6 to 7 hours for crystallization, okay. And you must submit your practical copy as early as possible. Any question? Okay, bye.